Welcome to the second module of Dapta Academy. In this section, you're going to be learning everything you need to know about text AI agents, starting with this video in which I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your first text AI agent. So inside of our Dapta platform, we want to go over to our text agents section, click on agents, and we're going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to click on new agent. You're going to see a pop-up window which is going to be very similar to how you create a voice AI agent. In this case, I'm just going to give it a name. Let's say Anna. Purpose, we have multiple purposes, so just like we have for voice AI agents, such as customer service, receptionist, qualifying inbound leads, etc. I'm going to click on qualifying inbound leads, and we can add some important instructions. I'm going to be pretending that I'm building this for a plumbing business. So for that, I already have some instructions that I'm just going to paste here. So I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to expand this briefly. So very simple instructions here. I'm basically just saying what questions I want the agent to ask during the conversation, which is what's your name, what plumbing issue are you experiencing, how urgent is it, what's your address, what's the best phone number to reach you. So I'm going to click on save and continue. And so you're going to have the ability to select a company that you've already created. Let's say you already have another AI agent that works for the same company. Then you can select from here on the drop down the different contexts that have already been generated in the past. But if this is your first agent, you can click on create new company context. And so for this, I just searched up a random plumbing business here in Phoenix. I'm going to copy this and paste it in the website URL. And then the company name is Aussie a Plumber. And then I'm going to click on generate context, very similar to what the voice agent do. It basically goes into your website, scrapes it, and creates a context based on the information in there. So we can briefly read over this. So the company summary, company overview, what sector we're in, products and services, value proposition. And all I had to do is just paste in the URL and generate the context. And now I'm going to click save and test. And you're going to see this window here in which you're going to be able to test it before going into the full settings of the agent and tweaking it a little bit further. But you have some conversation starters here, like how much does it cost to fix a leaky faucet. I'm just going to send that. And then it gives me an estimate. I can give some feedback over here. I can reset the conversation and just say hello. And I can say I have a leak. And now it's going to ask me for more details. Eventually it's going to start asking me the qualifying questions that I put in the instructions, but this looks good. So I'm just going to click here on the feedback, send feedback, save and continue. And now I'm going to land over here on my full settings, in which I'm going to get detail in the next video. But if you just at a glance, it looks very similar to what we have for voice agents.